Welcome. In front of me I have video recorder Xblitz Park View Ultra, and I'm going to show you how we can format SD card in this device. So at the first we have to click right here to open the main menu, click it one more time, and then we are with the more settings and go on the upper section on the format SD card, click OK, and right now you have to select yes or no. Of course select yes because we want to format the SD card, so let's click it. And the SD card format is processing, so we have to wait for the next notifications, and as you can see there was the notifications that the format is complete, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.